Friends, let's see about work done by a variable force. Friends, if the force is an arbitrary function of position, that means force is not constant. Force with respect to displacement, it is changing. It's a function of displacement. So we need the techniques of calculus to evaluate the work done by it. That means let force is a function of displacement. That means we have taken here let force, and this is displacement. Let it is a function of displacement. Like this, there is a function, and the displacement let varies from x1. Let here it is x2. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to take a small integral part, small element. So let's the width of the small element is dx. So students, if we want to find the work done by this, then we have to go for the area. The work done by the force in moving a body from x1 to x2 is what? The work done. Then we can calculate the work done by the force. The work done by the force in moving the body, in moving a body from x1 to x2, from x1 to x2 is given by work done is equal to integration of dw. Limit is from x1 to x2. So that is dw is nothing but students, f dx. Force is a function of displacement. That is f dx x1 to x2. Understood? That will be the work done, student. Work done is equal to f dot dx integration x1 to x2. Let's take an example to understand that. That means students, area under fx graph. Yes or no? Area under fx diagram, force and displacement diagram. Area under fx diagram gives what, student? Work done. Gives what? Work done. Let's take an example to understand that. Let's student f is equal to given as 6x square minus 3x Newton. And the displacement is equal to x is equal to 0.5 meter to 1.5 meter. And he's asking find the work done. So in that case, how we have to find work done? Friends, f dot dx, yes or no? That means to find work, what we have to do to find the work done, what we have to do, f dot dx, and f is equal to how much? 6x square minus 3x into dx, correct? Integration is from limit is 0.5 to 1.5, correct? So if we'll integrate this, how much we'll get it? 6x square is what? If I'll integrate it, then it is 6 coming out. X square is x cube by 3, 0.5 to 1.5, correct? Minus again 3 coming out. Integration of x is x square by 2. Limit is from 0.5 to 1.5,
Yes, two का
correct? So next, 6 by 3 students 2. 2 coming out. X cube means 1.5 per cube. Minus 3 का, sorry, minus 0.5 का cube. 0.5 whole cube, 1.5 whole cube. Minus, again, this is 3 by 2, that is 1.5 whole into again 1.5 per square, higher limit, minus lower limit 0.5 per square. Yes or no? Then by solving this one, we'll get it 2 into 1.5, that is 3.375, minus 0.5 q is 0.125, whole minus into 1.5 into 1.5 ka square 2.25, minus 0.5 ka square 0.25. And by solving the total, we'll get it as 6.5 minus 3. So that is equal to 3.50. That is the work done when the body is displaced from 0.5 meter to 1.5 meter. Friends, let's go for some applications or examples of force. Number one, if in a question it is given, if a force is changing linearly from F1 to F2, the question it is given if a force is changing, if a force is changing linearly, if the force is changing linearly from F1 to F2, from F1 to F2, over a displacement S, over a displacement, over a displacement S, then the work done is, then the work done is, then the work done is W is equal to F1 plus F2 divided by 2, average mean force will take into displacement. Okay, like this, you may get the force is changing from this much Newton to this much Newton, and the displacement is yes, there's the work done is how much. Which force will take? A mean force, F1 plus F2 by 2. And another application, let's see. Friends, if a force displaces a particle from its initial position, the question is given if a force displaces, if a force displaces, if a force displaces the particle, if a force displaces the particle from its initial position, from its initial position, from its initial position Ri, let Ri is the initial position, to final position Rf, final position Rf, then the displacement vector is, then the displacement vector is, then the displacement vector is how much, students? Rf minus Ri na? Position vector we find, yes or no? S is equal to final minus initial. Okay. And if again he is asking for work done, what do you know? Work is equal to force into displacement. Correct? That means force into Rf minus R initial. Okay. That means if you are taking here as x-axis and here as y-axis, and let the initial position of the particle was here. That is the initial position of the particle was here. That is Ri is the position vector. Particle with some force F, particle moves to this point. Yes or no? So let this position of the particle is Rf, final displacement. So what is the work done here? W is equal to Rf minus Ri. Understood? Hmm? Here, work done in pulling the bob of mass m, that is a pendulum bob whose mass is m, of a simple pendulum. Length of the pendulum is L, through an angle theta. Friends, it is displaced by some angle theta by vertical, like this. I'm sending it vertical by means of a horizontal force F. I've applied a horizontal force F here. So it came to this height H. What is the work done by here, students? Friends, work done by gravitational force, you know, mgh, yes or no? And mg is downward, body getting displaced in upward direction. So work done by gravitational force, how much? But if I'll find here W by gravitational force, then that is equal to how much? Minus mgh, yes or no? Minus mgh. But in the question, he may not give h. He will give theta. So you have to let this h and theta, yes or no? So if this is theta, total length is L, then this length is how much, students? L minus h, correct? Hmm? If I'll go for cos theta, if I'll go for here in this triangle, if I'll go for cos theta, let this is A and this is C point and this is O point. In this AOC triangle, student, cos theta is equal to B by H. Na? B by H means L minus H by L. So that is 1 minus H by L, correct? So that means H by L is equal to how much? 1 minus cos theta. So only simple H is equal to how much, students? L into 1 minus cos theta. Correct? So here in place of mgh, how much I can put? Minus mg, length of the string is given 1 minus cos theta. How much theta is getting displaced? If directly height is given, then you can find minus mgh, no problem. But he has given theta and L. That means where I am replacing this H by L into 1 minus cos theta. And we just found out how this H became L into 1 minus cos theta. So students, you understood work done by gravitational force is how much? Minus mg L into 1 minus cos theta. But work done by pulling force means body was at this point. This much get displaced. If this is L, this is theta,
L
then
sin.
how much? L sin theta. Na? This distance is L sin theta. Yes or no? So student, work done by horizontal force. Work done by horizontal force. That is work done by horizontal force. That is equal to how much? Force, applied force is F into how much displaced? FL sin theta. Correct? So W horizontal force is equal to FL sin theta. Understood or not, students?
Yes.
So yes, student, work done by tension is 0. So work done by horizontal force and work done by tension is equal to 0.